Many years ago, when God created earth, he made a mortal and he called him man. I know somewhere in heaven, as God looks down today, he sees man hold lightning in his hand. Man hold lightning in his hand, oh Lord. Man hold lightning in his hand. Will he change his way, or must the whole world pay? 'Cause man holds lightning in his hand. Now man can split the atom and make atomic bombs and drop them across the foreign lands. But listen to me, brother, things are getting rough when man holds lightning in his hand. Man holds lightning in his hand, oh Lord. Man holds lightning in his hand. Will he change his way, or must the whole world pay? 'Cause man holds lightning in his hand. Disaster and destruction will spread all over earth. Engulfed in flame, the human race will stand. They'll look at one another and ask who is to blame. That man holds lightning in his hand. Man holds lightning in his hand, oh Lord. Man holds lightning in his hand. Will he change his way, or must the whole world pay? 'Cause man holds lightning in his hand. Remember years ago what awesome fear it caused when lightning would flash o'er the land. It wasn't meant for man to control this mighty power, but man holds lightning in his hand. Man holds lightning in his hand, oh Lord. Man holds lightning in his hand. Will he change his way, or must the whole world pay? 'Cause man holds lightning in his hand. Man holds lightning in his hand.